Hello everyone, welcome to the course on machine learning. This is the hottest trending technology in the market. We find machine learning in applications that we use day to day. Let it be creating programs for recognizing your voice or images or developing intelligent robots. Machine learning plays a very important role. This course is all about machine learning or how systems learn. We will start with understanding supervised learning, and we will try to understand how does systems actually learn in supervised learning. As part of supervised learning, we will look into regression models, and we will build a set of regression models in Python using the scikit-learn library. Then we will try to understand what is classification and what types of problems can be solved using classification algorithm. During this course, we will work on support vector machines and various kernel-based support vector machines for fitting complicated data. Then we will work on k-nearest neighborhood algorithm. Moving on, we will try to understand what is unsupervised learning and how learning is different unsupervised when compared to supervised learning. During this module, we will work on clustering algorithms. We will implement k-means clustering in Python. Lastly, we will work on association rule mining, one of the most widely used techniques in marketing analytics. Then we will move on to the third part of machine learning, that is reinforcement learning. We will try to understand what is reinforcement learning and how is it different from the other two. Then we will try to formulate all important components in a reinforcement learning problem. Finally, we will try to establish a solid understanding of when to use reinforcement learning by defining Markov decision process. Reinforcement learning is a real game changer and important in applications like autonomous driving, robotics, evolution, etc. This is going to be a great ride. Let's begin the journey.